Welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter, acids, bases and salts. As we have learned in the previous classes, acids were defined as a substance that are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red. The word acid is derived from a Latin word acidus, meaning sour to taste. On the other hand, bases are substances which are bitter in taste and change the color of red litmus to blue. We all are familiar with the sour taste of lemon, curd, vinegar, unripe grapes, green mangoes, tomatoes, etc. They have sour taste because of the presence of acids in them. On the other hand, some substances such as washing soda, lime and materials like soap have soapy feeling on touching and a bitter taste. These substances are bases. You must have observed that someone in our family suffers from indigestion after overeating. This causes feeling of burning or acidity and is due to too much acid in the stomach. This can be cured by taking a solution of baking soda or a tablet of antacid. You may be familiar with Eno or Gelusil, no? These are basic substances or they may contain some base which help to get rid of the excess acid in the stomach. That is, acids and bases have the ability to nullify each other's effect by reacting them together. In this chapter, we are going to study acids, bases and salts in detail. We cannot identify acids and bases simply by tasting them. This is because certain acids and bases are corrosive and can harm us. In order to recognize them, we are using a chemical substance called acid-base indicator or simply indicator. An indicator is a substance that changes color when it is put into an acid or base. An indicator gives different colors in acid and bases. It tells us whether the substance we are testing is acidic or basic by changing its color. There are two types of indicators, natural and synthetic indicators. Litmus and turmeric are natural indicators, whereas phenolphthalein and methyl orange are synthetic indicators. You have noticed that a stain of a curry on a white cloth becomes reddish brown when soap is scrubbed on it. And we know that soap is basic in nature. It turns yellow again when the cloth is washed with plenty of water. A base can change the yellowish turmeric to reddish brown. There is no color change for turmeric in acids. The most common indicator used for testing acids and bases in laboratory is litmus. Litmus can be used in the form of litmus solution or in the form of litmus paper. They are of two types, blue litmus and red litmus. An acid turns blue litmus to red, whereas a base or an alkali turns red litmus to blue. So with litmus we can find out whether the solution is acidic or basic. If a drop of a given solution turns blue litmus to red, then the given solution will be acidic in nature. For example, orange juice turns blue litmus to red. So orange juice is acidic in nature. So we can say that orange juice contains an acid. If a drop of a given solution turns red litmus to blue, then the given solution will be basic in nature or it will be a base. For example, sodium hydroxide solution turns red litmus blue, so sodium hydroxide solution is basic in nature or alkaline in nature. In other words, sodium hydroxide is a base or an alkali. A water-soluble base is called an alkali. So we can say that all bases are not alkali, but all alkalis are bases. The red cabbage extract obtained from red cabbage leaves is also a natural indicator. It is red in color. The red cabbage extract remains red in acidic solutions but turns green on adding to basic solutions. Blackberries change from red in acidic to dark blue or violet in basic solution. Cherries and cherry juice is bright red in acidic solution but purple to blue in basic solution. Petals of petunia flower changes from reddish purple in acidic to violet in basic solution. Rose petal turn blue in basic solution. These are some natural indicators. Now we can move to synthetic indicators. Methyl orange. The neutral color of methyl orange is orange. Methyl orange indicators give red color in acidic solution and yellow color in basic solution. That is, an acid can change the orange color of methyl orange indicator to red, and a base can change the orange color of methyl orange indicator to yellow color. Next indicator is phenolphthalein. They are synthetic indicators. The neutral color of phenolphthalein is colorless. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acid medium, whereas they give pink color in basic solutions. Next category is olfactory indicators. The term olfactory means relating to the sense of smell. The substances whose smell changes in acidic or basic solutions are called olfactory indicators. Onion and vanilla extract are examples of olfactory indicators. Onion has a characteristic smell. Its smell cannot be detected when basic solutions like sodium hydroxide is added to it. But we get the smell of onion when we add acid to it. So this can be used as a test for acids and bases. Vanilla extract has a characteristic pleasant smell. If a basic solution like sodium hydroxide solution is added to vanilla extract, then we cannot detect the smell of vanilla. So this can be also used as an indicator. That's all about indicators. Thank you for watching. Take care.